Hi everyone. With the arrival of the new year typically comes the unveiling of new motorcycle models. However, in the case of Harley-Davidson's latest release, the company is predominantly highlighting its existing lineup for 2024. The motor company seems to be downplaying the news, drawing from its cruiser, sport, touring, trike, and adventure categories. The subdued tone could be attributed to the more modest 2024 list or the absence of any modifications to the featured bikes. Nevertheless, it is likely because Harley-Davidson is gearing up for a significant reveal of its new models, including the latest CVO machines, scheduled for January 24th. Now, let's delve into the recently announced 2024 motorcycles. As mentioned earlier, there are no mechanical alterations to report. The bikes retain the same powertrains and engine displacements as the previous year. Changes are limited to color options, and some models have been discontinued. We will focus on those that are still available and can be found at most local dealerships. '24 Harley-Davidson Cruisers. In Harley-Davidson's diverse cruiser line, 7 models are making a return this year across 3 engine displacements. At the more affordable end of the spectrum, the 2024 SOFTAIL Standard remains unchanged, priced at $14,999, available in gray or black, and equipped with a Milwaukee 8107 engine. Currently, the SOFTAIL Standard is the sole model featuring that particular engine. This year, the Fat Bob 114 is absent from the lineup, but the Street Bob 114 Bobber, Fat Boy 114 Cruiser, and Heritage Classic 114 Light Tourer are making a comeback. All 3 models are powered by the M8 114 engine. The Street Bob is priced at $16,999, the Fat Boy at $21,999, and the Heritage Classic at $22,499. The range's most powerful bikes continue to feature the air-oil-cooled M8 117 engine. The BREAKOUT, $22,499, Lowrider S, $19,999, and Lowrider ST, $23,399, retain the 101 horsepower mill. While there are new color options for all 3, there are no other changes for this year. 2024 Harley-Davidson Sport. The Sport lineup from Harley-Davidson maintains its trio of models from the previous year, all powered by variations of the Revolution Max engine. Leading the pack is the robust SPORTSTER S, featuring the liquid-cooled Rev Max 1250T engine with a retail price of $16,999. Following suit is the less imposing 975cc NIGHTSTER Special priced at $13,499, and the entry-level NIGHTSTER, also equipped with the Revolution Max 975T engine. Boasting an MSRP of $11,999. While new color options are introduced, the overall status quo remains unchanged for this lineup. 2024 Harley-Davidson Grand American Touring. Surprisingly absent is the Street Glide, but it's important to note that both the base Street Glide and Road Glide models have long been integral to Harley's touring line DNA. Anticipating their inclusion in the upcoming model announcement in January 2024, it remains to be seen whether they will feature similar updates as seen in last year's CVO iterations, including the new Milwaukee 8 VVT 121 engine and upgraded suspension. Despite the uncertainty surrounding these models, expectations include the incorporation of new bodywork and front fairing treatments. Excluding the aforementioned Glide models, which constituted 6 bikes last year, including the Special and SDE variants, the 2024 Grand American Touring line comprises only 3 models. Each of these models retains the same chassis, engine sizes, suspension, and other elements identical to their 2023 counterparts. The Road King Special, Road Glide Special, and Ultra Limited for 2024 all feature the Milwaukee 8 114 powertrain, indicating the absence of Milwaukee 8 107 powered bikes in this series. '24 Harley-Davidson Adventure Touring. Notably absent from Harley's 2024 Adventure Touring series is the base model Pan America. This stands out, especially considering there were only 2 bikes in this new UHD category last year. Speculation suggests that omitting the base Pan America may pave the way for a 975cc version powered by the Revolution Max 975D mule, currently found only on the NIGHTSTER Special. The confirmation of such speculation awaits until January, but Harley-Davidson has hinted at the engine's appearance in multiple models. Perhaps a Bronx 975? In contrast, the return of the Pan America 1250 Special is logical, given its popularity and versatility in Harley's adventure space. Equipped with the same liquid-cooled 150 horsepower Revolution Max 1250 engine, frame-mounted fairing, semi-active suspension, off-road modes, and adaptive ride height option, it maintains its appeal. Although there are no new additions to its features this year, it is now available in 4 color options at an MSRP of $19,999, a reduction from last year's price. (2024) Harley-Davidson trikes. The trio of Harley-Davidson trikes makes a return in 2024, maintaining their mechanical consistency with all models still being powered by the Milwaukee 8114 engine. The lineup includes the feature-rich Tri-Glide Ultra, the Road Glide 3, and the minimalist Freewheeler, all making a comeback for the new model year. Pricing is set at $37,999 for the fully equipped Tri-Glide, $34,999 for the Road Glide 3, and $31,999 for the Freewheeler. As for the exclusive models within Harley's custom vehicle operations, CVO, series, along with other new Harley-Davidson models, these will take center stage on January 24th. We look forward to the unveiling. See you then. Thanks for watching.